If your child's handwriting is illegible, they are probably struggling in ways you don't even realize. Hi, I'm Jakpreet Singh, and I'm about to show you why 87% of kids hate writing and the 5 simple fixes that transformed over 100,000 children's lives. I was that kid. Teachers couldn't read my work. I got less marks not because I didn't know the answers, but because my handwriting was illegible. I started hating writing, avoid homework, and my confidence plummeted. Until I met my mentor Imran Beg, who showed me something that changed everything. And now I want to share this with every parent and teacher watching. Here's what most parents don't know. When kids can't write clearly, they don't just struggle with handwriting. Their focus drops, their memory suffers, and they start believing they're not smart. But here's the truth, it's not their fault. There are exactly 5 things going wrong, and once you fix these, everything changes. First, inconsistent letter formation. Look at how they write the letter A and T differently each time. This confuses their brain and slows them down. Second, connectivity chaos. Sometimes they connect letters, sometimes they don't. This breaks their writing flow and kills their speed. Third, the zone disasters. Letters should sit in upper, middle, or lower zones consistently. When they don't, reading becomes a nightmare. Fourth, spacing problems. Words crammed together or too far apart make reading impossible and slow down their thinking. And fifth, the speed trap. They think fast writing means messy writing, but I'll show you how to write fast and neat. When kids write by hand, their brain creates memory pathways that typing can't. Better handwriting means better focus, stronger memory, and higher exam scores. It's not just about neat letters, it's about unlocking their full potential. When we fix these 5 parameters, magic happens. Kids who hated writing start loving it. Grades improve. Hand strains disappears. Concentration skyrockets. And most importantly, they believe in themselves again. If you want to transform your child's handwriting in just 30 days, message me on WhatsApp for a one-on-one session. The number is on the screen now, and don't let another day go by watching them struggle.